That sound is coming from a box right here. No dangling wires. No ceiling mounts. Just a 120-inch, perfect 4K image from less than a foot away. This is the ultra-short throw revolution of 2024. But with so many brands claiming to be the best, which one actually replaces your TV? We turned our lab into a home theater, tested the top 5 models side by side for a month, and found a winner so good, it made us question why we ever bought a flat screen in the first place. Number 1. NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle. The Aurora Pro projector is designed with a primary focus on achieving exceptional out-of-the-box, OOTB, color accuracy. This means that, right after setup, users can expect vibrant and true-to-life colors without the need for extensive professional calibration, making it an ideal choice for both casual and passionate users alike. The projector offers for different screen options which have been meticulously calibrated to account for the various inconsistencies that can arise from different projectors, screen types, room conditions, and even the calibration tools used. This attention to detail ensures that users will have a consistent performance, regardless of their environment. One of the standout features of the Aurora Pro is its black level performance. Utilizing the advanced ALPD 4.0 RGB Plus technology, the projector achieves a native contrast ratio of 3000 to 1, which is quite impressive for any projector on the market. Number 2. Yaber K300S Ultra Short Throw Projecto. Experience an incredible 100-inch giant screen from a mere 9 inches away with the innovative Yaber K300S Ultra Short Throw Projector. This cutting-edge projector features a remarkable 0.18 to 1 throw ratio, which means that it can project a large, immersive image even in the smallest of spaces. This is particularly advantageous for urban dwellers and those with limited room space, as it effectively transforms any compact area into a cozy home theater while effectively eliminating shadows and interruptions that can detract from your viewing experience. Equipped with an impressive brightness of 600 ISO lumens, the Yaber K300S ensures vibrant and clear picture quality, allowing you to enjoy your favorite movies, shows, or video games even in well-lit environments. Number 3. NEBULA X1 Triple Laser 4K Projector. Exceptional brightness and stunning 4K clarity, this advanced projector is equipped with a cutting-edge patented triple laser optical engine, providing an impressive brightness level of 3500 ANSI lumens. This ensures that even in brightly lit environments, images remain vibrant and well-defined. With support for 110% of the Rec. 2020 color spectrum, the projector delivers exceptionally rich and accurate colors, enabling a color experience that is both immersive and true to life. It is certified by industry standards ISF and TUV, ensuring its performance and reliability, and supports advanced visual technologies such as Dolby Vision, which enhances HDR content for stunning image quality. See every shade of darkness with ultra-high contrast. The advanced 6-blade iris technology incorporated into the projector achieves a remarkable native contrast ratio of 5,000 to 1, ensuring that dark scenes are richly detailed while maintaining brightness in well-lit areas. Number 4. Optoma ML1080 USD PHOTON Geo Ultra. Smoothly navigate and stream your favorite films and shows with the integrated Google TV and Google Cast functionality, which allows for a seamless entertainment experience. You can access popular streaming services such as Netflix and Disney+, both of which are certified for optimal performance, along with thousands of additional applications available through the Google Play Store. This wide range of options ensures that you have an abundance of content at your fingertips, catering to all your viewing preferences. Introducing the PHOTON Geo, a portable and lightweight projector expertly crafted for on-the-go entertainment. This device is specifically designed for versatility, enabling you to enjoy movies, shows, and presentations wherever you are in your home. Whether you want to create an immersive experience in your living room, relax in your bedroom, or host a movie night outdoors on your patio, the PHOTON Geo accommodates any setting effortlessly. Number 5. Hisense PL2. With X-Fusion laser light technology, laser cinema provides viewers with an unparalleled cinematic experience that stands out in quality and performance. The advanced X-fusion laser technology utilizes a highly precise laser light source that not only delivers images that are sharper than traditional projection methods but also reproduces more natural and vibrant colors. One of the remarkable features of this technology is its lifespan, boasting over 25,000 hours of entertainment, which means users can enjoy stunning visuals without the frequent need for replacement or maintenance. Additionally, the PL2 model takes advantage of ultra-short throw technology, which makes it possible to project large images in a compact space. This feature allows the projector to create vivid and lifelike images that range from a standard 80 inches up to an impressive 150 inches. This means consumers can enjoy a cinematic experience regardless of room size, as the projector can be positioned close to the wall without compromising image quality, ensuring that even smaller rooms can accommodate a grand viewing experience. The future of big-screen TV is clearly on the wall. To get the exact model we crown champion, or see our runner-up for different budgets, all the links, including the ALR screens we recommend, are in the description below. If this showdown helped you see the light, boost the signal, hit like, share this with your home theater crew, and subscribe. The bell ensures you see our next test, where we blow up the biggest myth about 8K projectors. See you then.